Actually, no, you get there.
2, give me an arms and body.
86, bringing in another foot.
Get right.
All the way at the end, Cal. Okay.
Keep going, keep going.
We have alignment.
Let's get ready. 3/4
Bow a little bit. Okay. Bow. There you go. Bow, arms and body. All right. Half slide. Squared and buried. Go ahead. All the way in.
Attention. Go.
1, 2 3/4, 3 full, 4 full, 5 full, power 21, nice and strong, ladies. 2, pull me ahead. 3, you're right there. 4, 5, stop looking around. 6, 7, let's do this, ladies. 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, we're up there with Madison. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're top 3 right now. Let's keep it that way, ladies. Keep giving me pressure. Keep giving me pressure. Let's make it to finals. I know we can. I've told you this a million times. This is a strong boat, and we will make it. We will. So catch, give me pressure. Catch, give me all you got. Catch, don't let TJ gain on us. Catch, I know you have this. I know you have this, ladies. Catch, pressure. Catch, fight that wind, lay back. Catch, there we go. Catch, TJ's gaining. Catch, keep that strong. Keep it strong, ladies. Don't let it fall now. Don't let it fall now. Catch, we're right there, ladies. We're in this. We're in this. Catch, I want to make the finals. Catch, I know we can, ladies. I know we can. Catch, there we go. Catch, that's what I'm talking about, ladies. Catch, give me pressure. Catch. All right, let's do this for our captains, Pele and Hannah. Pull for them and catch. There we go. Catch, give me pressure, ladies. All right, in 2, we're going to do a power 10. 1, 2, give me a power 10. And 1, nice and strong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, keep that pressure. Catch, there we go. Catch. All right, we're still in this. We're still in this. We're 3rd right now. Madison's gaining. Let's give me some pressure. Let's give me some pressure. I know we can make it. I know we can make it into finals. I know we will. We will make it into finals. So let's catch together. Catch together and catch, tapping down. Stop that foot catching. Catch. There we go, ladies. Catch. Nice and strong. Catch. There you go. Use your legs and legs. There we go. Catch. All right, give me some pressure. Give me some pressure. Don't let them walk on us. Don't let them walk on us. All right, I want you to give me some pressure for stern pair right now. Elizabeth and Anna, I want you to give me pressure for them. Show you how strong. Show them how strong you are. All right, they're right there. They're right there. We're not out of this. Focus in the boat. Focus in the boat. Keep that pressure up. Keep that pressure up. I want to go to finals, and I know you do too. Catch. This is for nationals. Catch. There we go. Catch. They're not gone yet. They're not gone yet. Catch. Focus in the boat. Focus in the boat. All right, keep that pressure up. I want these next few strokes to be for 5 and 6. Rachel and Rowan. Rachel and Rowan, let's do it for them. Let's do it for them right now. And catch, give me pressure. Catch, there we go, ladies. There we go. This is what I'm talking about. You are strong. Catch. We are strong as a boat. We are strong as a team. All right, in 2, I want you to give me a power 10. 1, 2, let's do it for 5 and 6. And 1, nice and strong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we're halfway there, ladies. We're halfway there. And we are in this. We are in this right now. Continue to give me that pressure. And catch together. There we go. Catch. Catch, keep that control. We talked about the control. We talked about that control. Let's keep it up. Let's keep that control and catch. Nice and strong. Catch. There we go. TJ's falling. TJ's falling. Let's catch him. Let's catch him. Let's take that 3rd place from them. And catch. We have this, ladies. Catch. All right, I want these next few strokes. I want these next few strokes to be for 3 and 4. Rosie and Reagan. Rosie and Reagan right here. These are for them. All right, we're approaching the cove. We're approaching the cove. You know what that means. And catch. There we go. Catch. Give me pressure. TJ's not that far off. TJ's not that far off. You can catch them. We can catch them. And catch nice and strong. Catch, all right. In 2, power 10. 1, this one's for bow pair. 2, power chin. 1, Joelle and Catherine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right here, ladies. 8, 9, 10. No, pin 10. 1, 2, 3/4 slide. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, give me a little bit. Run our sprint. 250 left. This is it. You can make it or break it right here. I want you to do this for your families, our varsity in the stands right there cheering for you. I hear them. I hear them wanting you to win. Give me pressure and catch. There we go. Catch, TJ's right there. Catch. Catch and 2. Give me a power 20. And 2. 1. 2. Give me a power 20. 1. 2. This is it. 3. 4. They're right there. 5. 6. 7. Give me all you got. 8. 9. 10. 10. Don't let them take it. 9. 8. 7. 6. Give me pressure. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Nice and strong. Guys, finish it out. Finish it out. I don't know, guys. Wait up. But thank you for giving me all you got. Thank you for giving me all you got. Here's some water. Pass it back.